Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video, I will explain you how to scrape Twitter profiles. If you want to if you want to start with the free trial, you can just sign up from over here or over here. If you want to, sign up with directly with Google. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and it will look like this. This is your personal API key, and if we have several X scraper, for now we are going to use X profile. Let me just pass the ID of the most famous person right now. And once you click on try it button, you will get a beautiful JSON data, and the data will come very fast. These are the likes, these are followers, the number of followers, this is the number of accounts he's following, and other data like the profile handle, the profile picture, is he verified or not, the bio in whatever data is there in his bio. So this is that data, and this is his internal ID, the Twitter which is used by Twitter. Let's try some other profile. Let's say some his competitor. Uh, this is Sam Altman's profile data, and the similar data we get for Sam Altman as well. So this is how it works. If there's no rate limits, you just have to pass the ID, and boom, you will get the data. uh, you can scrape millions of profiles without worrying about proxies or headless browsers. Nothing. You don't have to worry about anything. You just have to pass the ID and make the get request if you are using our APIs in your working environment. So this data can be used for influencer outreach, sentiment analysis, audience segmentation, etc., etc. So if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can email us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you.